I'm walking alone the streets.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So today I will be showing you my shower routine, what I use to wash, and a DIY for under armpit. I have this DIY before, so it's my shower routine. I do it anytime I wash, so I will be showing you again. Then the thing I will be used to wash, I will be using Vilt to wash my leg, my arm. I have hair, so I will just apply it. This I will be using, I will use sugar, lime or lemon, baking soda, and extra virgin oil. I will use it to scrub my armpit. I use fair and white soap. I use fair and white soap. It's like this. So I use fair and white body milk. After shower, then I will come to my room, apply my cream. Hello. Take some cream and apply it on my neck. It's my neck like so fresh. And I will use roll-on. It's very good to use roll-on. I have body spray, but I don't use that body spray. I use roll-on, different kind of, but I use a Nivea for white and black. Oh, then I will sit down and clean my ear. It's very sweet cleaning your ear. It's like you are in another world. So my ear is not dirty because anytime I shower, I must clean my ear. If I shower, I didn't clean my ear, I feel like I'm not complete with the shower. The shower is not like. Then I'm not going anywhere. I'm inside today. I will just use lip gloss. I will apply lip gloss on my lip. So that is the end of my shower routine, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.